How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. In order to verify your Bitcoin on Cash App, you'll need to provide some additional information so that you're not pretending to be an account owner. So there are different methods of verifying it. So if you have a valid ID, verify a Cash App account in easy way. And however, you also need to have a working social security number to complete the verification process. So to begin with, you need to log into your Cash App account. After logged into your account, in the upper right hand side corner, click on the profile icon. Next page, you'll be taken to the banking page, and right in between you'll be able to see Bitcoin, so tap on it. On the next screen, you need to scroll down till you see enable Bitcoin withdrawal, and you need to click on it. So as soon as you tap on it, now you'll see a verification pop-up. Tap on it. Now select allow Cash App to have access to your camera and scan a valid photo ID as proof of your identity. You'll also be asked to perform facial recognition. After doing all that successfully, you'll see Bitcoin withdrawal approval. In this way, you can verify Bitcoin on Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.